Today I'm going to show you what to do if you get a 404 error message when changing the language switcher in WordPress. This is most likely due to your permalink settings. So to fix it, go to your WordPress admin, scroll down to Settings, and then Permalinks. Select one of the options, however, do not select the first option of plain. So if we click on post name, for example, and also make sure you don't have any /index.php in your URLs. Then simply save changes, and that should have fixed the problem. However, if it has not solved the problem, check if the mod_rewrite module is enabled on your website. If not, you would need to enable it. To do this, you can either contact your hosting provider and ask them to enable it, or if you're managing your own server, follow the steps of the link that I've left below in the description. If you need any additional help, please reach out to us at support@weglot.com.